Well, it's finally upon us, the trip for me and Rob, Adam and Rob. So we're just getting our bikes prepared here, cleaning up, just taking unnecessary things off the bike, putting an extra rack on the back of each bike, putting some protection bars on for the side panniers with rubber and tape, just so we don't get banged and scratched up. Got the giant loop exhaust guards so we don't overheat the panniers as well. So the bikes are looking good. Got brand new Dakar Midas tyres. I probably won't last the trip, but they should give us plenty of grip. Look at that, the badge of distinction. So we've got the bikes just about ready. So we've got panniers on the back, got a big tank bag as well. You can see the gear here that goes in there, quite a bit of gear. The basic essentials, of course. And yeah, it's not too far along now, so we're going to head out of the Wollongong region and we're going to head out towards a little spot I reckon we can get a camp called Darwin Point. So
On a
we'll
rubber
just camp off the side of the road out there. Should be fine. Here's a good example of the rack system. Make it nice and flat. That way it's easy to pack. Easy
That's
to have
pretty strong.
gear sitting on there as well. Bikes have all been engine oiled, gearboxed oiled, all ready to go. So we're giving them a good service first. Tyres are good, everything's pumped up like we are. So yeah, this first video you'll see
I should do that
our
on
first night. Get pretty heavily onto the grog, and then we head out towards the further west, out towards Mildura, and we head up towards Broken Hill and up into the Pack Saddle region. And that should all be on the next video. Sit back and enjoy.
But I've still got a sore head. It's all Austin Nichols' fault. He made the stuff. He's a mongrel. So we're heading to Hay. We're heading to Hay for lunch, and then we'll.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, plenty. Yeah, all good. But I just hadn't had enough food. That's why I basically coughed up my insides. So Isn't this amazing? You're in another country talking to me in the middle of almost a desert country.
And being videoed.
And being videoed too. Yeah, I'm so full. I hit the jackpot. We were just heading off. Murphy's Law.
We're going to the pub, Shona.
And I'm drinking water. So pod, look at that, done. How quick was that? How good is that? Awesome, right. Have a seat. How you going over there? Look at my little Swedish spoon. Haven't got a Swedish girl, but I've got a Swedish spoon. Look at this colour. How
nice is that? Beautiful, isn't it? Nice on a cold day. What the fuck are you doing over there, mate?
G'day blaster out.
Yeah, crank up the stereo. Oh, funny as. That's just sitting there, Rob. I've got the spec tripod. It's a better setup. Well, that was good. It wasn't too hard to get a spot anyway.
Ah, it's good. You've done your homework well again.
A little bit. It's still hit and miss though. Like that lake back there looks alright.
Yeah.
But a lot of people around. Pillow. Good song for this would be Under a Blood Red Sky, YouTube.
Who's that?
Who's
Midnight Oil?
Yeah. Beds are burning. Self-inflate pillow. Go to work. Not a bad spot here. This is just a bit of evidence that we know what we're doing.